Crumbl Cookies, Key Franchise Information. Series, Franchise Business, The Guide to Franchises, Goals, Mission, and Vision of Crumbl Cookies. Crumbl Cookies is one of the fastest-growing dessert franchises in the United States. It was founded in 2017 by cousins Jason McGowan and Sawyer Hemsley in Logan, Utah. Their goal was simple: to create the world's best chocolate chip cookie. After thousands of test batches, they launched Crumbl with a single store and a recipe that quickly became iconic. Crumbl earns revenue by selling gourmet cookies in rotating weekly flavors using open-concept kitchens and sleek technology. Their signature pink box and viral social media presence have helped build a cult-like following. The brand's mission is to bring friends and families together over the best cookies in the world. Their vision is to expand globally while maintaining quality, innovation, and community connection. In this video, we'll explore how Crumbl's franchise works, what it costs, and whether it's the right investment for you. 1. How does a Crumbl Cookies franchise work? Learn about the business model. Key information. Franchise model. Crumbl operates on a single-unit franchise model with strict brand standards. Franchisees own and operate their own bakeries under Crumbl's system. Fee structure. Franchisees pay an initial fee of $5,000, plus 8% royalty and 2% marketing fees based on gross sales. Support from Crumbl Cookies. Franchisees receive help with training, site selection, construction, operations, and marketing. Crumbl also provides tech tools and a proprietary app.
Anecdote. Sawyer Hemsley was still a college student when Crumbl launched. He ran the first store while attending classes and baked cookies between lectures.
2. Entry costs for Crumbl Cookies. How much does it cost and what earnings can you achieve? Key information. Initial costs. Total investment ranges from $4,601.66 to $1,663.20. This includes franchise fee equipment and inventory construction and signage, POS systems and tech training, travel and lodging, additional funds for 3 months of operations. Potential earnings. Average annual revenue per location is around $133,000. Net profits vary, but many franchisees report earnings from $22,000 to $35,000 annually, depending on location and efficiency.
Anecdote. The first Crumbl store made over $1,000 in its opening weekend, without any paid advertising. Word of mouth and Instagram did all the work.
3. Step by step. How to register a Crumbl Cookies franchise and how long does it take? Key information. Registration process. Submit an application online, attend a discovery day, and receive the Franchise Disclosure Document, FDD. Documentation. You'll need a net worth from $15,000 to $5,000 and liquid assets from $15,000 to $4,000. Background checks and business plans are also required. Duration. The full process takes from 3 to 6 months, including approval, training, and site development.
Anecdote. Crumbl's Discovery Day includes cookie tasting and a behind-the-scenes look at their tech systems. One applicant said it felt like Willy Wonka meets Silicon Valley.
4. Taxes and fees in Crumbl Cookies. What do you need to know before you start? Key information. Income tax. Federal and state income taxes range from 21% to 35% of annual gross profit. Property taxes. These apply only to owned real estate and range from 1% to 2% of property value annually. State and local taxes include sales tax from 4% to 10%, use tax and local business fees such as health permits, signage licenses, and bakery-specific food handling certifications. Licensing fees. These cover food service permits and business licenses. They average 0.38% of annual gross revenue. Training costs are not included here. Marketing fees. Crumbl charges 2% of gross sales for national marketing. Local advertising is optional but encouraged.
Anecdote. Crumbl once launched a local campaign where customers voted on new cookie flavors. The winning flavor, churro, became a nationwide bestseller.
5. Hiring employees in Crumbl Cookies. How many do you need and what are the training costs? Key information. Number of employees. A typical Crumbl location needs from 15 to 25 employees, including bakers, shift leads, and front-of-house staff. Training costs. Initial training costs range from $5,000 to $15,000 depending on travel, lodging, and wages. Ongoing training is included in Crumbl's support system. Training systems. Franchisees and managers complete in-person and online training modules. Crumbl also provides operational manuals and video tutorials.
Anecdote. Crumbl's training includes a cookie decorating challenge. One franchisee said their team bonded over frosting and sprinkles before opening day.
6. Crumbl Cookies. Operational costs. What expenses will you face daily? Key information. Monthly. Ingredients and resources. $15,000 to $3,000 depending on volume and menu rotation, salaries and benefits. $25,000 to $4,000 including wages, insurance and bonuses, rent and utilities. $1,000 to $2,000 depending on location and lease terms. Insurance for premises. $1,000 to $3,000 covering property, liability and workers' comp, maintenance and utility. $2,000 to $4,000 for repairs, cleaning, and upkeep. Licensing and marketing fees. $3,000 to $6,000 based on gross sales. Total of all taxes. Around $5,000 to $9,000 per month, including income, sales, and property taxes. Other, 25%, miscellaneous costs like legal, accounting, and tech services.
Anecdote. One Crumbl location in Texas sold over 8,000 cookies in a single weekend, forcing the team to restock ingredients twice in 24 hours.
Loving the video? Make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and share your thoughts in the comments. 7. Training and support. How does Crumbl Cookies help its franchisees? Key information. Initial training. Franchisees complete a multi-week onboarding program that includes in-person training at Crumbl HQ in Utah and online modules. Topics include baking procedures, customer service, inventory management, and tech systems. Operational support. Crumbl provides ongoing support through regional managers, performance reviews, and access to a centralized help desk. Franchisees also receive updates on new products and operational changes. iLearning platform. Crumbl's proprietary platform includes video tutorials, digital manuals, and interactive modules for crew training and compliance. Marketing. Franchisees benefit from national campaigns, influencer partnerships, and social media templates. Local marketing is encouraged and supported with branded assets.
Anecdote. One franchisee in Arizona credited Crumbl's training system for helping their team win Best Customer Experience in a local business awards contest, just 3 months after opening.
8. Franchise inspections in Crumbl Cookies. What are the requirements and what to expect? Key information. External inspections. Local health departments conduct food safety and sanitation checks every 6 to 12 months. These include temperature logs, hygiene practices, and allergen labeling. Internal inspections. Crumbl Corporate performs quarterly audits covering cleanliness, customer service, baking consistency, and tech compliance. Frequency. Internal inspections occur every 3 months, with additional surprise visits during seasonal launches or promotional events.
Anecdote. A Crumbl location in Colorado received a surprise inspection during a holiday rush and passed with a perfect score while serving over 1,000 customers that day.
9. Profitability of Crumbl Cookies. Is it really a profitable business? Key information. Profitability. Crumbl's average net profit margin is around 10.6%. With annual revenues averaging $133,000, franchisees can expect net profits from $22,000 to $35,000, depending on location and efficiency. ROI. Return on investment ranges from 10% to 27%. Most franchisees recover their initial investment within 4 to 12 months. Success factors. High brand awareness, viral marketing, streamlined operations, and rotating menus drive repeat business and strong margins.
Anecdote. One franchisee in Florida reported breaking even in just 5 months, thanks to a location near a college campus and a viral TikTok review that brought in 3,000 new customers in 1 week.
10. Crumbl Cookies in the market. How is the brand doing today? Key information. Market position. Crumbl operates over 980 locations across all 50 states, making it one of the largest and fastest-growing cookie franchises in the U.S. Growth and expansion. All U.S. territories are currently sold out, with new opportunities available only through resale. International expansion is underway, with stores in Canada and plans for further global reach. Challenges. Market saturation, rising operating costs, and strict brand controls have created performance gaps. In 2024, Crumbl slowed expansion to stabilize profitability. Forecast. Despite uneven margins, Crumbl's average unit revenue rose 17% year-over-year. New product lines like mini cookies and catering services aim to diversify income and boost long-term growth. Competitors. Crumbl competes with Insomnia Cookies, Nestlé Toll House Cafe, and local bakeries. Its rotating menu and social media strategy help it stand out.
Anecdote. In 2023, Crumbl's flagship store in Utah sold over 1,000 cookies in 1 month, setting a national record and earning a feature in Forbes.
11 Pros and cons of a Crumbl Cookies franchise. What you need to know before deciding. Key information. Pros: A. Strong brand recognition and cult-like following. Innovative rotating menu and viral marketing strategy. C. High average unit volume and fast ROI. Streamlined operations and centralized tech support. Cons. A. High initial investment and strict brand controls. B. Market saturation in many U.S. regions. C. Limited flexibility in product offerings and store design. D. Performance variance across locations.
Anecdote. One franchisee in Texas said, "Crumbl gives you the recipe, the tools, and the hype. You just need to bake and deliver with heart."
12. How to choose a profitable franchise and avoid mistakes. Key information. Market research. Analyze local demographics, foot traffic, and cookie competition. Look for underserved areas or resale opportunities. Financial assessment. Review startup costs, expected ROI, and monthly cash flow. Consult with a franchise accountant or advisor. Consultations with experts. Talk to current Crumbl owners, attend Discovery Day, and read the Franchise Disclosure Document, FDD, carefully. Support evaluation. Compare Crumbl's training, tech, and marketing support with other dessert franchises. Franchise agreement analysis. Check for renewal terms, territory rights, exit clauses, and resale conditions.
Anecdote. One franchisee almost signed with a cupcake brand until they saw Crumbl's weekly flavor rotation and realized cookies had more staying power.
To conclusion. Who is the Crumbl Cookies franchise for, and is it worth investing? Crumbl Cookies is ideal for entrepreneurs who love branding, tech, and sweets. With average annual revenues of $133,000 and ROI from 10% to 27%, it offers one of the fastest payback periods in the dessert industry. Most franchisees recover their investment within 4 to 12 months, making it a strong contender for those seeking quick returns and high visibility. However, it's not for everyone. The initial investment ranges from $46166 to $12,66333, and Crumbl enforces strict brand standards. Franchisees must follow exact recipes, layouts, and marketing rules. Flexibility is limited and performance varies widely across locations. Crumbl is best suited for hands-on operators, multi-unit investors, and those with strong local marketing skills. If you're passionate about cookies, tech, and customer experience, and ready to follow a proven system, Crumbl might be your perfect match. Just be sure to do your homework, talk to current owners, and understand the commitment before you dive in. Or, anecdote. Crumbl's founders once said, "We didn't just want to sell cookies, we wanted to create moments." Today, every pink box carries that promise to customers across the country. Bibliography. Franchise Times. Franchise Business Review. Franchise World. Franchising for Dummies. In the next episode of Franchise Business, The Guide to Franchises. Checkers, Rallies. Is Checkers, Rallies a good choice for you? With our guide, you have all the necessary information to make an informed decision. Good luck on your franchise adventure. Thank you for watching. If you like the subject matter of this channel, please subscribe, like, and comment. I wish you a day full of success.